everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and in today's tutorial video I'll show you how you can check the last seen on Instagram if it's hidden. So yeah, before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, let's get started. So you will just go to your Instagram app first. So yeah, once your app is open, all you have to do is tap on this message icon above right corner, tap on that icon, and then you will see these are the messages that you have, and you can see this SHRK active 1 hour ago, and this person active 2 hours ago, seen 15 hours ago. These are the scene activation options, and this shows up if the person has enabled their activation status. And once you have enabled that, then other person who are connected with your account will be able to check the last scenes, your active status. But if they have disabled that, then you won't be able to check if they are active or not. And yeah, that's how you can know, because this last scene activations are provided below your profile name. This is the way you can know if the last scenes are hidden and they are not showing up. That means that person has disabled their active status. Go to your profile, tap on this three-lined icon above, go to settings, then you will go to this option called account, and then you will go to option called privacy, tap on that option. Then you can see the activity status, tap on it. And yes, if you enable this show activity status, people that are connected with you will be able to see your last scenes. And if you just disable that, then your scenes will be hidden, so there will be no way that they can check your last scenes. So yeah, this is how you can check if the person's last scene, if any of the person's last scene has been hidden. Then the only way is you will either ask them to enable their activity status so you can check on them. Yeah, so this is how you can check. Please do make sure to leave comments below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.